racing. It's been 30 really great years. I wish the weather was a little better, but we got a great crowd here and some fun cars. And I'm not going to mention anybody who's been here. I see friends from 29, 30 years ago. It's pretty impressive. This car here, and if you ask me privately, I'll spill the beans on all our new products, get everybody all upset. But I want you to know that I had absolutely nothing to do with this event today. The company is going through a huge change, and that change is, it's not the Dave show. It's management team, it's functional groups, it's Dave V in sales. The marketing and sales group put this together. Nate Johnson was the pit boss, and it's really fun watching the capabilities of a great team unleashed out from the shadow of me saying do. And we have an opportunity with the new truck to grow this company and to bring our story and to build things much more important than cars to a much wider audience. So this car here is the beginning of a commitment that was made in 1995. CAD in everything, computer-aided design. In 1995, we paid $480 for a sheet of aluminum to be laser cut. Nowadays, we're doing it for about $30. It became commoditized, but in 95, the commitment to CNC was everything. And we did that. And as a result, we've been able to engineer products that are safe, high performance, easy to build. Over the years, they've gotten better and better. That was the commitment to CAD and a great team behind us. The last step in that is surfacing. With a new truck, with our F9, you guys saw the F9, and that was a kind of a concept car. Shaping is everything. This is our anniversary coupe. Let's take the cover off it and show these guys. And what you'll notice right now is it has a full carbon fiber body, and it's very cool. A little round of applause. So, Christy Lee, if everybody knows, Dave V in sales, and Christy Lee. Christy is our guest today. We have Adam from Iconic Motorcycles here. Christy Lee is here. Some other famous people, but thank you, Christy, for coming and helping out. A round of applause for Christy. The car industry is filled with a lot of personalities, but the reason why I like Christy is she's a hardcore. She rides, races motorcycles, she builds, she wrenches. She's not just a pretty face. She's got the talent and the tech behind it, and really appreciate your talents. Maybe we'll get you behind the wheel on one of these things.
You keep saying that.
I know, yeah, and I keep driving. Well, to celebrate our 30th anniversary, we did a 30th anniversary Cobra, and that was a Mark V, our newest. The prototype is over here in the corner. Special things in that car. The Coupe is really special. We have maybe, 10 or 12 left out of 30. And it has the accoutrements that the 30th anniversary Cobra had, but it has an option to do the carbon fiber. The shaping technology and the CNC. This body was made from a 3D scan, from a file that really we can make these bodies in a much more modern and efficient way. So the XTF truck, new products coming out. There is a new supercar we're working on. Who's going to guess it? I did not admit that. I did not admit that. Well, it wouldn't work unless it was scaled, and you couldn't scale it without CNC surfacing technology. So, I don't know what I'm talking about. There's a huge plan behind where we are with this car. It's an anniversary car. If you are one of the anniversary coupe owners, you will have the rights. We ordered 30 of these bodies. You'll have the right to buy a Daytona coupe body in carbon, and this is, we put a satin finish on it. It comes clear coat. It comes basically finished with no bodywork, so we didn't touch any of these panels. This is the way it is. It's our anniversary car. I just want to say thank you to everybody. Here's the car. We've got, till the end of the year, we'll have the bodies probably all delivered by the end of the year, so if you buy an anniversary coupe, you can have the carbon fiber body, but this technology was started with the GTF and then with the F9 and refined. Now I think our process is finalized. It's that commitment to CAD and everything. And last thing I'll say is it's hot and at least it's humid, and so that's good. Thank you for coming. It's really a great party. I'm really proud of the team. I can't even begin to describe the emotions you have when you have 30 years of your life's work. And this is it. And so thank you very much. We'll take this down. And have fun today. Let's have some fun. We'll take these off. For the next, oh yeah, if I make it. We'll start, right? Yeah, go ahead, start up.